Hey, this is Chadwick again, and I'm here today to let you know something that happened to me recently, and I just found out. I'm loading my CannabisCoin wallet. Today is 4/14/2020, and I was loading my Cannabis wallet, and I see this 25,524 CannabisCoin subtraction from my wallet, and I'm thinking, I didn't do that, and I didn't do that. So my CannabisCoin wallet has been on my Windows PC with the DAT file, and I installed it, and I noticed that the coin wasn't password protected, or maybe I just didn't look at the program here and see. I guess I could have encrypted the wallet, and that's what I should do. So I didn't do that, and it's okay. It was only about $175 or 200 bucks, and you can't sell a cannabis coin, as far as I know, anywhere right now because the wallet is in maintenance, and I think Yobit.io is the only exchange where you can sell it. And right now, their cannabis wallet is in maintenance, and they're waiting for a blockchain update. I was kind of hoping that I could save these coins maybe 5 or 10 years, and that the marijuana industry would pick them up and they'd increase in value. So that's okay, though. I'm not worried about it. I've had things stolen from me before, and I've stolen things, unfortunately, and don't do that anymore for many, many years. So I guess I'll look at this encrypt wallet, and we'll see how that works when I hang up this video. But so I also looked on the Cannabis Coin Explorer, which is functional, and it certainly did get withdrawn to this address on March 22nd, I believe, and it's kind of unusual because they subtracted like 1,000 of them on 3/21. So I guess that was some kind of tester to see if I could track where it went, or if they could do it and get it over with it. Then they sent another .01 cannabis coin to this other wallet, and finally 25,524 cannabis coins to this address, which I have no way to track these addresses, and I don't know where they went. It's not mine. $175 just isn't worth the time to 26,000 cannabis coins isn't worth really any sort of you know uh, effort. Really, it would take several hours and days and weeks to find out where that went, and we don't want to do that. So anyway, I just want you to know that if you put your basically, if you put your wallet on your computer and it's not password protected, then it can get stolen, and I want you to know that. And I'll say it again. If you put your wallet on your computer and it's not password protected, it can probably will get stolen. So be sure you always password protect your coins. I think one of the best ways maybe to store, particularly Bitcoin, if you have a large amount, is to get some a paper wallet. I think if you just had one copy of your Bitcoin address, and maybe you printed out some paper wallets several years ago, you got some from a friend, or even it might not be a good idea to print them out on your own PC. And if you print out a paper wallet and use your telephone to scan the QR code, that's probably the safest way, seeing as how, or one of the safest ways, seeing as how there's no record of information of your wallet on the internet. And that seems to be how they steal it these days, is it's on your computer somewhere. So we have all these devices that are computer related, and they are an attempt to evade hackers and thieves. And it may just be the best idea is to not have any information from your cryptocurrency on your PC, especially if you don't want to get it stolen. So, and you can always take a piece of paper and scan your QR code with your phone, and nobody knows, So anyway, do password protect your wallets, and this is my fault, and I deal in crypto, and I just wasn't expecting that people would be trying to hack me for no reason. I didn't expect they would hack someone with a lot more money, or I don't really know why they want to pick on me. They always do. And it's just a constant problem I've been having since September 2018. This guy, codenamed Randall Good Game, and he continues to hack my programs and wallets. I don't know if he's with the courts, or if he's a criminal, or another country, or something. Who knows, So just be sure you protect your wallets, and consider me as an example. Your coins can get stolen and stuff, and I'm not that upset about it. Well, I still have my coffee, my food's still in my fridge, and my home is still here on the ground, so it's no big deal. But I don't really want to put anybody in jail and torture them and kidnap them and tie them up. So I'm not gonna do anything about it. I guess if it was a whole lot of money, I might. But anyway, so just to let you know this did happen, and today is 4/14. I've had this wallet loaded maybe on 4/7 or 4/5, but definitely I've had it loaded this month. I didn't recognize that transaction, so I know it hasn't been since March 22nd is the last time I had this wallet open. So potentially good. I'll have another video on this, and I'll let you know how the encrypt wallet works and look at some more security features, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Bye.